Hi, I thought I would share with you a open source video of a project for anyone fortunate enough to own the Bose Soundlink Micro speaker. This is a fantastic little speaker. It's very durable, plays quite loud, but it's designed with a single driver, and then it has two opposing passive radiators. And the reason they do that is they don't want to have any phase cancellation. So you have on the front the driver producing your high frequencies, your mid-range, a little bit of bass, and then that forward-facing radiator is producing your lower frequencies. And then you also have on the back that additional passive radiator also producing your low frequencies. The issue that I've had is that when you use it at home, especially because it's designed to sit flat on a table or a desk or the floor, you lose some of the high end because it's firing straight up towards the ceiling. The solution for me was to make a small little speaker stand. It's made out of wire that you can buy at any home improvement shop. It's not very expensive. And all you do is you take your Bose speaker, open up the strap on the back, and attach the speaker. Now you have a speaker stand. The benefit is that you can now adjust the position of the speaker in your home so that you can benefit from, I think, a little bit more directional high end. And it's just a nice little, quick little project. So I hope you enjoyed my video.